Hello, I am Dr. George Peraza-Smith, and I would like to go over some of the requirements as it relates to the practice requirements for the Nurse Leader program. Our Nurse Leader program has 38 credit hours that's over 12 terms, so that's a 2-year program. Within those 12 terms, during the 11th term, the student will have 96 practice hours, residency hours, or practicum hours. Those are all used interchangeably. The 11th term is close, of course, toward the end of your program, and the course is titled MSN 587, Residency in Nursing Leadership and Systems. So in this course, the student will focus their experience on a healthcare leadership and management opportunity. This could be a project, this could be shadowing a nurse leader and working with that nurse leader. And the practice preceptor is in a patient care setting. So ideally, we are looking at settings with like hospitals, facilities that have a nurse leader, and that nurse leader would be your preceptor. And depending on your site, you may or may not have to have an affiliation agreement. That is site specific. The earlier you know where you want to do your practicum, the better it is, so that you can start making arrangements with the potential preceptor, as well as determining whether affiliation agreement is required. You would want to contact Ms. Pat Bentley. That's PBENTY at United States University or usuuniversity.edu. She is the clinical coordinator for all our programs, and she will work with you in determining whether an affiliation agreement is needed. Now, some of the planned activities that you could participate in include planning and implementing and evaluating quality improvement plans, creating communication tools for an organization, creating toolkits of resources and references, either for the executive level, management level, or staff, developing a PowerPoint or Prezi presentation, creating surveys, attending professional meetings that are specific to leadership, writing a publishable article, presenting a topic to the staff or administration, creating a webinar, developing software to meet a need, performing a review of literature, developing an advocacy agenda, coaching employees, conducting or participating in performance reviews, and are proposing a change in process or procedure. Now again, these are just some suggested topics. What you will do is you will work with your preceptor in determining goals and particular activities or projects that preceptor and you will be working on during your 96 hours practicum. The 96 hours must be conducted within the 11th term, so you have 8 weeks to conduct the 96 hours. You are able to do the 96 hours in this facility by which you work. The only caveat is that you cannot double dip. You cannot be working and account for your precepted hours. Those hours have to be separate. Welcome to the program, and I hope you enjoy your educational journey here at USU.